In this video we are going to understand animating a character effect using Scratch. So for that we will be taking one frog sprite from the this gallery, sprite gallery. We are going to search for the frog. You can take any of these. I'm taking the first one. We don't need the cat sprite for this particular animation right now, so we need a particular backdrop for appropriate for the frog, so we are sticking this one. And you can place the frog anywhere on the game stage wherever you desire for. Now to give an animation effect to this particular character, we need to change the costume. So here you can see on the top left in this top left in the center there is a costume category. We need to duplicate the image and we need to make appropriate changes in this particular image so that this should look a little different as compared to the first one. So the first one here that we are going to change is the tongue of the frog. The earlier one was having a bigger length, and now this one is having a smaller length. Further, we are going to change the direction of the eyes that the frog is staring at, the looking at. And after this we are going to make one more costume. So we are going to duplicate the image, and in this one we are going to increase the length of the tongue for the frog to make it appear that it is eating something. Further, we are going to change the inclination of the eyes to make it more animated, that it's actually eating something. And now is the time to give the instructions for these three costumes to change continuously. So for that we are going to the events category, that when we are going to click on a particular button, so it is going to change the costume. So here we are taking that when we are going to click on the green flag, so it goes to the next costume and it should wait for some time. So let's say wait for 0.25 seconds, and once we are through with that, then again it is supposed to change the costume. So we take this next costume instruction right next to it, and again it is going to wait for some time and again change the costume, because there are three costumes. So that's why we are taking this next costume, change next costume three times. So once you click on the green flag, you can see the costumes are continuously changing, and it appears that the frog is eating something on the game stage. So we are going to save the work, and for that we are going to go to the file menu and save to your computer, give an appropriate name what we are doing here, and we are through.